Can you dream outside of REM sleep? Have you ever wondered if dreams are exclusive to the rapid eye movement, REM stage of sleep? Let's explore this fascinating topic to find out. Traditionally, it was believed that dreaming only occurs during REM sleep, a stage characterized by rapid eye movements, increased brain activity, and vivid dreams. However, recent studies have challenged this notion. Researchers from Aalto University and the University of Wisconsin conducted a study where they used a TMS EEG device to examine brain activity during non-REM NREM sleep. They found that subjects woken from NREM sleep were able to describe their dreams in more than half of the cases. This indicates that dreaming is not limited to REM sleep. It can also occur during NREM sleep. Another study used graph theory to analyze dream reports from volunteers woken during different sleep stages. While REM dream reports were more complex and connected, NREM dreams were less vivid and less emotion-laden, but still present. This study reinforced the idea that dreams can occur in both REM and NREM sleep, though they differ in quality and complexity. The brain activity during NREM sleep in people who dream is closer to that of awake individuals compared to those who do not dream during NREM sleep. This was observed through EEG measurements, which showed that the brain activity patterns in dreamers during NREM sleep were more akin to those of awake people. In summary, yes, you can dream outside of REM sleep. While the dreams during NREM sleep may be less vivid and complex than those during REM sleep, they are still a significant part of our sleep experience. So the next time you wake up from a non-REM sleep phase, you might just have a dream to share.